And we're on.
Billy Ray was a preacher's son, and when his daddy would visit, he'd come along. When they gathered around and started talking, that's when Billy would take me walking. Out through the backyard we go walking. Then he looked into my eyes. Lord knows to my surprise, the only one who could ever reach me was the son of a preacher. The only boy who could ever
Denise.
reach me was the son of a preacher. Yes, he was. He was. Yes, he was.
You need to hang on to it, dude.
More. Right there.
No way.
Buddy.
Yep. Oh! You got it, boys.
This is the protein.
Wow. Just like that.
It's alright. You kiss and tell me everything's alright. Can I get away again tonight? The only one who could ever reach me was the son of a preacher man. The only boy who could ever teach me was the son of a preacher man. Yes, he was. He was. Lord knows he was. Yes, he was. How well I remember the look was in his eyes, stealing kisses from me on the slide, taking time to make time, telling me that he's all mine, learning from each other's knowing, looking to see how much we've grown, and the only one who could ever reach me was the son of a preacher man. The only boy who could ever teach me was the son of a preacher man. Yes, he was. He was. Oh, yes, he was. The only one who could ever reach me was the sweet talking son of a preacher man.
I'm really lucky. I tried to start the bike and warm it up in the parking lot for no reason, just because I was really excited to go ride.
Literally for no reason.
For no reason whatsoever, but it didn't turn over. Nothing happened with the starter. So now we're trying to figure out maybe there's some corrosion in there.
Let's see what this does.
And now we're trying to just, oh man, this is the big moment of truth. We're gonna try to just straight. We're gonna burn down the whole ECU.
Yeah, it's fucking not doing shit.
Let's just try to clean it up and then
Alright.
it's that way. Carb cleaned it, blew it out. Moment of truth. Nothing.
It clicked though. Which makes me believe that it's probably loose down here.
You know what? Yeah, let's start trying something else. Okay. Oh, that's fucking loose right there. Oh, no, it wasn't.
No. Give this one a try. Aha! There she is. Little LG, little loose ground.
See, we were really smart that we started looking different places, not just messing with the start button.
Did you do this one yet? Double check that one.
Yeah, I need carb
Alright, Terry.
cleaning off, though.
Moment of truth. Ready?
Look at that 2J.
2J
Look at that fresh carbon hood. Who did that?
Oh, who did this? Look at that. Dang, that's new. Somebody really cares, you know?
Dude, it looks good without anything on the hood. I know you gotta do sponsor stuff.
Yeah, I know. The carbon looks tough, huh?
All right, we finally made it. It's 11:20. I put my gear on in the car. Track, it doesn't look like it's seen a touch of water in like at least a week.
Looks pretty wet. Yeah. Look at that.
Did we leave it recording? Oh yeah, I did. Nice. Little jersey swap.
Yeah, I like to do that.
Hashtag 209.
Yeah, throw the number on there, dude. There you go, buddy. Dude, thanks, buddy.